Work is meant to create a desired outcome. If your work is not creating the dream, what are you working on? Richie Norton. Welcome to the outcomes. This is where you can create yourself something similar to a buffet of all the things you want to have and experience in your life. Outcomes that help you to create your dream, so to speak. So let's get down to the gist of how it works. Let's first create an outcome by clicking on this plus button down here. When naming it, best do it in a way that reflects how the finished outcome will look like, as if it's already completed. For example, finished first collagen quest. Now the outcome pops up in our list with all these small icons. Let's have a closer look at them inside of the outcome. Generally speaking, they all help you to organize yourself better and plan for your outcomes in a more structured way. The check mark represents the status, and you can change it according to your circumstances. Right now, you're doing your first quest, so we'll leave it as current. Beneath the status, there are more things that you can tinker with if you like. You can change the scope, set yourself a start date, a deadline, or add effort points. But for the beginning, you can just focus on the basics that will already give you a head start into structuring and planning for your outcomes big time. Adding steps is another basic, and it is a way of breaking down bigger outcomes into actionable units so that it's even easier to start doing them. An example could be watching outcomes tutorial and press enter. This is one step of your onboarding in Collagen. Did you notice? It's formulated in the doing perspective. These steps also fit perfectly into the session timer down there, which will run for 25 minutes and then suggest you taking a break of 5 minutes. I have made the experience that it's way easier for me to be focused for hours if I break it down into 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes break, 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break, and so on. Oh, I almost forgot. You can also delete an outcome again by doing this. By the way, there's also a filter up there. This becomes helpful once you've really created a lot of outcomes, so let's cross the bridge when we get there. That's it for now. You're all set to become the master of your outcomes and work towards that dream of yours in a structured and focused way.